Have you ever seen a Facebook account with one name? You'd be like, but how? I mean, Facebook requires two names to open an account, both the first name and the surname. So how did this person open an account with just one name? Hello lovers, welcome to Pretty Meg Meg. I'm Mikey Pinodi. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. On today's agenda, I'm going to be showing you guys how to one name on Facebook. If you are interested, keep watching. Let's get into the video right now.
I'm that bitch. Yeah. Been that bitch, still that bitch.
So I jumped right into the video, and for today's tutorial, you are going to need a VPN. VPN, and a VPN for that way. And then when you can go to Play Store and download any VPN. So after you've downloaded the VPN, I am actually going to be using the Power VPN. So just open the VPN. What's this? Go to the server where it says select region and then search for Indonesia. Here is Indonesia. Just click and then choose the one with the highest network. And then once you click on the Indonesia VPN to it, just connect. That's the first step. Now you go to Facebook. Now you just open Facebook. I don't know if this tutorial works on Facebook Lite, but I'm gonna be using original Facebook in this video. So you click on the Facebook. Okay. So after you've logged into Facebook, where you are going to be able to change your name, your two names into one name, just click the three lines at the upper right corner. And then this will be your next step. What you have to do next is click on settings and privacy. So after you've clicked on settings and privacy, you're going to click settings. So after clicking settings, this will be your next step. All you have to go to is personal and account information. This will be your next step. You just click on name. Okay. So after clicking name, this will be your next step. And before changing your name, you should also know that after you've changed your name, you are not going to be able to change your name again until after 60 days. Yeah, you already know that now. So you just go ahead and erase and then go to the first name from there and type in the name that you want your friends, followers, or strangers to see on Facebook, the one name. So I'm going to be doing Angel Day. So once you put in type in your name, Angel, all you have to do now is the review change. Click the review change. What you come to putting in your password and then it's safe. You're not going to be able to change it within 60. So yeah, this is it. You're done saving changes, you're done putting in your password. It's just Angel. Now let's go and see how change your name. I'm gonna go to Facebook Lite. It's just Angel. There. Let's see. Let's go to Facebook Lite. Facebook Lite. Of course, I view it on original Facebook, but I prefer Facebook Lite. I love Facebook Lite, to be honest. I use original Facebook for my tutorials. As you can see, there's Angel and there's this Pretty Meg Meg. The Pretty Meg Meg is my nickname, it's not part of my full name. So let's see how others view it. View as. And that's how we come to the conclusion of this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. The Pretty Meg is the nickname. I'm gonna be posting lots of goodies concerning Facebook, Instagram, social media, TikTok, any social media that I'm gonna be on. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys every good thing that I know is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching and coming to the conclusion of this video. I hope it works for you. I'm Mikey Pinole again, and I will see you in the next video. I love you.
I'm that bitch. Been that bitch, still that bitch.